So, as I told you, to talk about an action you always do, put s or es with he, she, and it. With he, she, and it. Okay. What about I, you, we, and they? Are we going to add s or es? No. And don't add anything with I, you, we, and they. And don't add anything with I, you, we, and they. So again, I will tell you the song once more. To talk about an action you always do, put s or es with he, she, and it. With he, she, and it. And don't add anything with I, you, we, and they. With I, you, we, and they. So if you are talking about an action that you always do, every day I go to school, every day I sleep early, I usually wake up early, she always goes to school early. All of these are actions or habits you always do, or somebody always does. Okay? So, if I said, I live in a big house, I can't say I lives. I can't add s with I, because with I, you, we, and they don't add anything. I say we go to school every day. I don't say we goes to school. Okay? So, what are the key words? If you saw in the sentence the word usually, always, sometimes, every day, all of these are the words. If you saw them in the sentence, you will have to use the s or the es, okay, with he, she, and it. I say he gets, she gets, it gets, okay? But I don't say I gets or you gets, because with I, you, we, and they, we don't add any s. So I say I get, you get, they get, we get. I don't say I gets, okay? So here are some examples for you. I play football every day. I can't say I plays football. It's not correct, okay? But I say I play football every day. He or the boy plays football every day, because we have the pronoun he. So we add what? S. Okay? She, Maha, wants to be a teacher. Wants to be a teacher. Okay, you have to add S, because Maha equals she. Okay? This one. It or the cat drinks milk. I can't say the cat drink milk without adding S. You have to add the S in order to make the sentence correct. Okay? Now, you. Can I say you wants to be a pilot? No, I say you want to be a pilot. Okay? This one. We or mother and I. Mother and I equals we. Usually eat or usually eats. We, so we can't say eats. So we will say we eat our breakfast in the living room. Okay? Now, when do we add only s, and when do we add es? If we have a verb that ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x, o, you will add es. So again, if you have a verb that ends with s, ss, sh, CHXO, you will add ES. Other than this, you will add only S with he, she, and it. Remember. But I, you, we, and they don't take anything. But I, you, we, and they don't add anything here. Miss Lisa teaches us English because you have, where's the verb? Teach. It's the action. I told you a verb is an action, if you remember. So, Miss Lisa teaches English because you have CH at the end of the verb, okay? Now, number 2. He watches cartoon every day. Okay, because you have at the end of the verb watch, you have ch, okay? Now, number 3. The cat always catches the mouse, okay? She does her homework alone because you have O at the end of the verb, okay? So again, if you have a verb that ends with S, SS, SH, CH, XO, you will add ES, but only with he, she, and it. Okay? When do we add S or ES? If you are talking about an action you always do or somebody always does. You always do or somebody always does. Now open your pupils book, page 63. We have this exercise C. Go, eat, read, write, want, watch. Okay? I am hungry. I want a sandwich. Number 2. Sally what? Her bike on Saturday. Sally eats her bike? Can I say this? Or goes her bike? Or rides her bike? Sally rides her bike, okay, on Saturday. Number 3. We We what apples every day. We eat apples or we eats. We eat without adding any S. Okay, number 4. I lots of books on holiday. I what? I watch lots of books or I read lots of books. I read lots of books on holiday. Number 5. He DVDs in the afternoon. He what DVDs? He watches. We will add S or ES? ES. Why? Why are we going to add ES? Because we have CH at the end of the verb. CH at the end of the verb. Number 6. They what to school at 8 o'clock. They go or they goes? Who can tell me? They go without adding anything. Because if you want to talk about an action you always do, huh? Put S or ES with he, she, and it. With he, she, and it. With I, you, we, and they. Don't add anything. Okay, you have to remember. Now I want you to open your booklets, page 6. Okay, now exercise A. Bring your pencil or pen and answer with me. Exercise A. Choose the correct answer, the correct verb, okay? Number 1. He always sleep or he always sleeps early. With he, she, and it, you have to add S or ES, so he always sleeps early. Number 2. She often gets up late. She often gets up late. Number 3. The boy rides his bike every week. The boy equals what? He. So the boy rides his bike every week. Now, number 4. It never rains in summer. It. So you have to have what? S or es. So you will say rain or rains. Rains in summer. Number 5. I a rabbit eats carrots every morning. A rabbit eats carrots every morning. Number 6. I usually writes letters to my friends. I usually I excellent, right? Because with I, you, we, and they don't add anything. Okay, I want you to answer the rest of the choose answer. The choose questions, okay? And see you next time. Your homework for today is page 48 in the workbook. 48 in the workbook, okay? You have to answer this homework alone, and if you have any problem, just tell me, okay? See you next time. Bye bye.